Hi everyone, it's Heidi here from Flutter by Heidi. I'm Heidi Smith, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the United Kingdom. And today, just a really quick and easy, fun origami project for you. And this is just to show how you can use up some of this lovely DSP that we have with Stampin' Up! Now this one is using the in colour DSP stacks, which come in 4 patterns, and this was just a little way of making a little bowl, and these are great little rolls to create, either to put some sweets in as I have there, or just to put things like pins in, or little any other notions that you happen to have on your table. And the great thing is that if you just happen to have a 6x6 piece of paper, then you're sorted, because that's all it takes. Now I've used the in colour DSP, but I thought I'd use some of the Peony Garden DSP because it is so pretty. And this is 12x12 paper that comes double-sided, and it's just in 3 gorgeous colours. You have got petal pink, you have got basic grey, and you've got grey granite. So you've kind of got grey granite, which is this slightly what I would say is a browner grey, and then this sort of basic grey here. And they're beautiful floral designs on the one side, and then the usual kind of either geometric or sort of general purpose designs really on the other side. So that's the paper I'm going to use, and I thought I'd then use some of the beautiful ribbon that also goes with the prized peony suite, which is this lovely shimmer ribbon here. So this is grey granite shimmer ribbon, which looks so pretty with the pink, and that's what I've done to finish it off. Now you don't have to, but I found it really useful. One thing you will find if you're doing origami, particularly using Stampin' Up! DSP, which is a really good weight, is your bone folder is really, really useful to get those nice crisp creases. So let's get started then. First, I'll decide which is going to be your outer and which is going to be your inner. So this is going, I think, is going to be my inner, and the reason is because you kind of see slightly more of that. So with your inner up, you're going to start some folding. Now if you haven't got any 6x6 DSP and you've got the Stampin' Up! Trimmer, this is a really useful thing to notice, that actually you've got a little lip here which is exactly at 6 inches, so 15.2 centimetres. So if you want to cut a piece of 6x6 and make sure it's really accurate, which obviously for origami you do need a good square, butt it up against this little line and cut, turn it round and cut again, and then you know you've got a really good piece of 6x6. Now obviously we have 6x6 papers as well, which is what I used in the in colour DSP, but just in case you haven't and you're using 12x12 as I am. Okay, so once you fold it in half, turn it and fold again, and just make sure you're lining up those edges, and then fold in half diagonally. And these are great. I mean, these are the sort of things that I do at my classes. You know, we pop them on the. I can pop them on the table, or we can make them as just a little extra project, just as a bit of fun. So again, making sure you're lining those corners up. Not as I've done there, which has just gone off slightly. There we go. Okay, now once you've folded in half and in half diagonally, you're then going to do what's called a squash fold. So 2 of the diagonals, just fold them so that they're coming up and meeting in the middle, and then just squash like so. So you get this diamond shape. And then you're going to take each side and fold it into that centre score line. Okay, turn it over and do the same on the other side. Those of you who watch me will know that I do occasionally chuck in an origami project. It's one of the things I kind of first started with paper crafting when I was a kid. I used to make a little origami box. Great fun. Okay, and once you've done that, we're then going to fold these outer pieces down. So just turn it, fold it, unfold it, and you're just folding down against the top. So there are 4 of those to do. Now once you've done that, you want to take this, and this is the bulkiest part, take this bottom point and just fold it up to the middle and just kind of squash it. You won't be able to score it very well because there's so many layers of paper there, and then just do that to the other side as well and just kind of squash it down. Now once you've done that, unfold these points and you're going to go and open that fold that you've just done and squash it down like so. Okay, so you're going to go around and do that. Okay, so unfold the points and just squash this one down. Okay, unfold the point, bring it up, squash it down, and the last one, same again, unfold the point and squash it down. Okay, so you'll end up with something that looks like this. You'll see it's like a little brown. Now, again, don't worry, just a bit more folding and we're almost there. So you're then going to take this side bit and again fold it to this middle here. So you'll have a single layer of paper at the top and you're creating these little points. Again, okay, so again, where you've got a nice flat one, open it up. Probably didn't reinforce that previous one. So you should find these line up fairly straight. So you're kind of going parallel with that centre score line. Okay. And as I go around, I'm just kind of just folding it so that it just doesn't get too bulky on one side, just because it makes it easier to manage. So again, just fold that over, and then so again fold that, and then it's this one you want that where it's all the same pattern, and again just fold to the middle like so, and fold to the middle. And then all you do is just pull that out slightly and push in the centre, and there's your bowl is forming shape. And all you need to do now is fold those 4 little points all the way round to create our little bowl, and that's where we can now add our ribbon. And I say it's beautiful shimmer. I say that the ribbon isn't essential, I just thought it just was rather nice to add it, and I therefore used a glue dot just to hold it in, each of these in place. Again, being origami, it will stay as it is. So all I'm going to do is pop my ribbon underneath and pop my glue dot. I say it just sort of holds it. So glue dot there, put my ribbon up to the top, you can see just there, and fold down. Stampin' Up glue dots really are great. I have tried many others, believe you me. I found some old ones and I kind of went, yeah, okay, there's a reason why I don't use these anymore. They just work so well. Okay, and then just fold that last one down. And then all that remains is to tie our little bow and fill with treats. So I'm just going to cut a length of ribbon here. Pop my, I'm just going to do a surgeon's knot, so that's putting it through once more, because that just holds it in place a little bit. This ribbon is is a nice firm ribbon, so you'll find it ties a really good bow. Just keep that as flat as you can around the outside, pop it through, and there we have our pretty little bowl. Spread that out, and that is ready for me to pop some treats in. And there we have a fun little bowl that you can make with all sorts. And as I said, this one is using our beautiful prized peony garden. This one's using our DSP. Either would look really pretty and great for little table decorations. I hope you've enjoyed making that. If you'd like to purchase any of the products you've seen today, just pop along to my blog, flutterbyheidi.co.uk. You'll find the links there for the products you've seen. Alternatively, heidismith.stampinup.net is my direct Stampin' Up shop, and just click on the shop button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see what else I'm up to, or subscribe to my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.